Hey, what's going on, guys? Grant here with AdStellar. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your AdStellar account. We're going to walk through the setup steps so that by the end of this video, you are fully set up with AdStellar and ready to rock and roll. So on the setup step, when you first sign into your account, you will see the first thing is to connect your Meta account. So the first thing we're going to do is click here. It's going to bring us to the integrations page. We will click sign in with Facebook, and you will have this pop up here. Now, I've already connected my account before. You'll go through the permissions, accept all of them, and just click connect. All right, and then we see it here, but if I go back to the setup steps, the second step is to actually connect your ad account, okay? So we'll go back to that integrations page here. It's now going to list all of the ad accounts that you have connected to your Meta profile. I'm going to go ahead and select the one that I want to connect, and that's all you got to do. Now we see connected. If I scroll down here, I'll see that this is the ad account connected. It was connected by me. And now anybody that I invite into my AdStellar account will be able to have access to this ad account to be able to launch the campaigns to it. All right, so let's go back to our setup steps. We have those two complete. Now the third thing is to import our existing campaigns. So we're going to go ahead and click start. It's going to bring us back to this integrations page here. And then there's this area here where it says import campaigns. We click import campaigns. Now we want to import campaigns, guys, because that's how AdStellar works best. If you have previous campaigns of solid winners, you want to import them into AdStellar so that AdStellar sees what worked on those campaigns, what didn't work, and now can reproduce those types of campaign results for you, okay? So we're going to go ahead and click the ad account that we want to import from, which again, if you're not seeing it on this list, it means you didn't connect your ad account yet to AdStellar. Now this takes about, a couple seconds here, maybe 10 seconds to load all the campaigns. It will pull in all of the campaigns from the last 90 days that were created, okay? So it'll pull in, basically you'll see everything on this list that was created in the last 90 days, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select which campaigns we want to import. Just a note here, right now you can only import 3 at one time. So one import, you can only do 3 campaigns. If I try to do a 4th, it's not going to let me. That's just because of Meta's API rate limiting. Unfortunately, we can only just do 3 campaigns at once. Okay, so I'm just going to import one campaign. I'm going to go ahead and select this one here, and I'm going ahead and click import. Now, depending on the size of the campaign, this could take anywhere from 5 minutes to a massive, massive campaign could take even upwards of an hour. So if you are importing a massive campaign, go do stuff, come back. It will be done in however long. If you're importing a smaller campaign, you should expect it to be done in, again, maybe 5 minutes or less. Okay, guys, so ours took about 6 or 7 minutes. I skipped ahead in the video. This is what it looks like when the import is complete. You'll see here the next step is to view the campaigns, and this is super important. We have to set goals, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click this button. It's going to bring me over to our performance page, and this is where you can just basically verify that the campaign imported correctly. You see all of the data, and then now we need to set the goal. Okay, this is very important because when I click into this, you'll see why set goals. The goals is what tells the AI what success looks like for your campaigns. Okay, so when you set a target for cost per acquisition, return on ad spend, or cost per click, the AI will immediately start analyzing what ad and what combinations of headline, creative, audience, etc. are performing well versus underperforming, okay? So if you're doing return on ad spend, you can do ROAS here, or you can do cost per result. So for this example, I'm not really running an e-commerce campaign. This is more of a lead gen campaign. Now you'll notice that if you're doing cost per result, it automatically by default sets your cost per result goal as the average, okay? I don't want that. I want to put $20 because I want $20 leads here. And again, if it costs more than this result, the AI flags it as underperforming, okay? So we're going to save goals, okay? And then we're going to click update. Now, for every single campaign that you import, you need to make sure that you are setting these goals. That is really, really important. So then if we go back to the setup steps, we just return back here. We can now see we have 4 out of 5. So we've connected our ad account, connected our Meta profile account, connected the ad account we want. We've imported campaigns. We've set those campaign goals. And now, guys, we're pretty much ready to rock and roll, okay? So that's pretty much the setup steps. The last thing is to launch an AI campaign. We'll talk about that in the next video, but this is pretty much how you set up AdStellar. It's super easy, super quick. And if you follow this, you will be perfect for using AdStellar the way it should be used. Thanks for joining me.